Hello again, Rebecca here. Welcome back to my channel. And today this is the second layout using the second layout for the day using my Stash Made kit. And these are the pattern papers that I've chosen to use today for these two layouts. Now this is just not even a month ago possibly, although I've lost all concept of time. My fiance, we are currently remodeling, redoing, and totally revamping our house. So much fun, let me tell you. Anyway, he is updating the coffee table. He's like a lover of all things trains, because he's a train nerd, and he got this coffee table, and he is changing it to where there will be a miniature train set with mountains and everything that will work. I don't know, I said that's cool, whatever, you know. So that is what he's doing here. He is starting to sand it down to get it into the finish that I want. So that's enough about the pictures. So here I have absolutely no idea what I'm going to be doing with this layout. I do know that I'm going to use that green whitewashed ombre looking pattern paper for my background. I'm going to go ahead and use that stitched looking one with cream and black, and this leaf one. I am also going to go ahead and trim this one down. I'm not even sure if I followed my plan. This one's kind of got a whitewash look to it as well. So like I said, absolutely no idea what we're going to go for with this layout. We're just going to get some adhesive. I am going to go ahead and take this green leaf paper that I have here and go ahead and center it in the middle of the other paper, and we're going to go ahead and attach that down. Seemed like a good idea at the time. And we're going to run that all the way along that left edge and just trim off what was overhung. Just a smidge. I do have a heritage feel to this month's stash kit layout just because I really need to use it up, because I don't really scrap this style very much of paper. So since I have the paper pad from American Crafts, and if you look at my original my very first video, my stash reveal, I have the paper pad in there. I am trying to use that up this month, and I will call that a win if I am able to do so. So here we are just going to, I had a little bit of schmutzy coming out the end there, so I'm on the schmutz kick right now. My sister-in-law was home this weekend, and she says that a lot, and it has been in my brain. So I'm thinking we're going to go ahead and do the pictures something like that, not real sure. Then I switch it up and I stick the smaller picture over there next to the bigger picture, and we're gonna get this plopped down on the page. Then I'm like, no, let's see what I can do. So I'm gonna go ahead and trim these all up. Yeah, I do. I did not stop the video. This is straight through. There was no interruptions for me this time, or anything that I thought was really you know, something that you probably wouldn't want to see. So I am going to go ahead and do this like so. And we're going to make a little banner out of that border zip strip that came from the top of the paper. And we're going to get that adhered down, and we're going to come over here and we're going to adhere this one nicely down as well. And trim off the excess. I'm just giving a little shelf per se for my photographs to sit on. I've been trying to use those beautiful cards, and I end up getting them on the next layout, so pretty stoked about that because they have 9 of them. This was a Sunday project for him, and I did have this little Sunday banner piece that I just cut up till all you could see was the green. He's gonna love this layout because green is the color that he likes the least. And I don't know, it just kind of went with I picked the papers first, and then I just kind of grabbed some pictures. I'm also going to get this little green, looks kind of wood greenish. We're going to stick it on above this picture, and we're going to take another piece of that and stick it to the side. Just for some more pops of green. I do have this little hello, my name is. I don't know if that's what it says, but it says hello, my love. I like hello, my name is. We're going to stick that up there at the top, and I'm going to build the cluster up on top of that. I do have these little green butterflies, and I'm just connecting the middle piece. I do have this cut apart from a pink paisley. I think it was the 6x8 paper pad, and I'm just going to cut this apart. It does bring in some of the green and that poopy, baby poop yellow color. We're going to stick that over there by the butterfly. Not real sure what it says. I do have these little tab strips that I got to use in my planner. I have a booklet of rainbow colors of like 100 of each of these little pieces of paper. I do not use them in my planners. They are removable tags, so I always put adhesive on them because obviously it's not permanent adhesive. I grabbed that little heart sticker and just stuck it on the outside as well. I got a globe on there because, well, it was sitting there, and, you know, we're going to throw this purple butterfly in there. I'm going to go ahead and grab some of this lime green twine. That is my product focus bin. Items that I need to use up because there is just like 1 or 2 left on a sheet. I have now been throwing in that bin instead of choosing one product to use all month long. Now I have the product focus bin. I do like this little vintage camera, and I'm going to pop that up on some of the cheapo foam that I get from the dollar store. And we're just going to get it all in there. Then I'm going to run some of my adhesive on it, and I believe that's going to go up there by the globe or underneath the butterfly. There you go. The purple butterfly, I should say. Nope, the globe. Now I can tell you, this is definitely, it said cherish right there, and I was just covered it up with this little baiter strip. This is not one of my most favorited layouts, but the pictures are documented and the items are used, and I'm okay with that. So you're not gonna love, you're just really not, you're not gonna love every layout that you create, and if you do, you're gonna be sadly disappointed because you're gonna keep working and working with it. And I just go with it. It was feeling good in the moment, you know, at the end results. It's not one that's gonna make it to my wall for the next month, but it is going to go into an album, and I do love it. So, you know, it is what it is. All these products are used up. I am not real sure there's much more that's going to be going on. That just is a pink create, and there is no other pink on the page. I do get that, but he is creating something. I'm going to add this little word sticker here. If you liked my photo, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you would like to join me on my stash kit, on my stash item Wednesdays, I would be more than happy to have you. Leave a comment below. I'm going to get that little, and that's going to be it. I am going to do just a smidgen of journaling on this. And I have been using my Staedtler ink pens in all different colors lately. They're there, might as well use them, right? All right, that is going to be it. See you next time. Bye.